I think it needs to go all the way to bend.
Yeah. So, do we hone out the thing or do we do the bars?
The bars are already screwed up, so I'd rather not screw up this part.
That would probably clean up halfway with some paint too,
Well, the real heavy sand marks won't, because I didn't care about the finish when I did it. But now it matters a little bit.
though. You always care, Keenan.
No, now it's a new something.
That powder paint is so damn tough though, you know? Don't have much choice to it. I'm trying to get an angle with you here so it's not blinding you with the light and shit, you know?
Light's fine, no problem. Just the body file.
Not taking it off, that's for sure. Yeah, looks like it's almost a bare metal over here already. I must be seeing things. On the very top of it.
Might be.
Yeah.
See shit from this angle. Okay.
There you go.
It's gotta be done now.
Yep.
All the way to curve now.
I'll give it the room that you need.
Well, it's gonna look like crap, but oh well.
Function over form right now.
Pretty much. We dulled it out.
All right, I bet you it slips right on there pretty good right now.
I doubt it.
Think positive, man. Think
I
positive.
doubt that. Dirt on there, it looks the same color, see? Flat black.
Low gloss black, they call that new color too.
Oh, is that what it is?
Low gloss.
Flat black.
Well, the hot rod guys put on. It's a little bit different though.
Mm. Yeah, it goes right on. Yeah, big difference, huh?
Slide for shit, huh? So they took a lot off of it. Oops.
It looked like I cut a lot.
When do you want me to tell you to stop? I guess the edge of the sanding. Ooh. You got an inch to go. Half an inch. Boy, oh boy. It really needs a switch in between there, huh? That bottomed out?
No, but I think it's about where I want it to be, though. I do the screwdriver.
Which one? Short one? Oh, you got it?
Oh, there it is. Okay, so go all the way and back off a little bit. At least it's consistent. It's dull black now. Okay, throttle cables are go. Play around with that a little bit here. Put it where I want it. I really want it.
Put your hammer up on the handlebars still too.
It's all right. Too low.
Huh? Or too low? That's why you didn't want to put a master cylinder on it. You knew it was going to look hokey.
Mr. Hokey.
Not much you can do
Got a
about
piece
it.
of wood
though.
down there.
It still needs to go in one. Wow. Quarter an inch to go.
That looks about right.
Not hitting the throttle anymore.
Huh?
It's not hitting the throttle thing.
No, we're way off that. Just a matter of rotating it upwards now.
Pretty level. It looks good right there.
That looks good. So go on the other side, you can see how it's. So your hands are out here.
Yep.
And the little pinky goes right in the edge. You pull it
Right at the edge of the bar too. So.
Yeah, you grab these ones here. You got this one's right there on the corner.
Yep.
And your whole hand goes out here.
That's better than half a palm sticking off the
My
side.
hand is still
Yeah.
kind of on there. I don't want to be brought up against that. I never ride like that. You always back a little bit anyway. After your hands are comfortable, that's right like that. So I can grab it. That's about where it should be.
Looks good from this angle.
Now height-wise, it needs to come up slightly because my hands are low.
Oh, the clutch one's down low. Lower than this one is.
That's because I moved it.
Oh. Careful, might break that mirror.
They moved it down quite a bit. I had them up there where they belong. They moved them. And the sand doesn't look too bad. The whole thing is
It looks fine from the front.
It's evenly sand all the way across. It looks all right.
Looks good from here. Gotta paint the other one black though.
This has to come up, but I gotta.
Get the fluid in there first.
Well, I need to rotate it down to put the fluid in it.
It's too high right now.
Yeah. Well, I could
Well,
probably.
if you turn the handlebar the other, well, you gotta have the handlebar to the left, anyways, right?
I'll hold the bar about right here.
You're level right there.
No, it's still downhill, but it's adequate, but it's supposed to go higher. All right.
Master cylinder install.
Yeah, bolt on, easy. No problem. So I can put the cable back over here where it belongs.
That made all the difference in the world right there, taking that screw out.
Set up where I want it to be.
What's the yellow thing in the middle saying?
Screw you.
It knows something. The battery's getting low, no?
Oh, you're on your camera.
Yeah, some yellow flash in there.
Yeah, I don't know.
They're saying the battery's getting low, but they got a black battery with a line through it.
Yeah, something else. Film getting low, who knows? Piece of crap camera. There, as far as that's going to go. Okay, so now you want this to be rotated where this looks better. You're not going to hit anything over there.
It's good from here.
I usually like these being kind of
Low
level
forward.
when you're riding. Look nice that way.
Got no slack in it everywhere.
Right there looks pretty good. That looks good going down the road right there. Nice and straight. The rotate looks good too. I think that's a good spot for it to be.
Tighten her down. Put the torque to it.
Just snap and break. I've done that before.
I bet you have. Maybe it's a little bit too much. That's a battery flashing as well as in there. Yellow battery.
Well, I got Jesse's back up again. Super critical. Give or take a turn or two.
Right. especially on a push-pull. You only have a single one, it's a little easier to do that. But
Well, I want to see free play, but
I mean, what is this?
I want to make sure it gets full throttle too.
Oh, that's for sure, yeah.
Not getting full throttle, it's definitely not going to fly on here.
What I was getting at is what was wrong with a single cable?
In case the throttle sticks, you can't return it. Okay, DOT. Why don't all bikes have to have brake on this side and shifter over there?
I know there's a rule for that because the Sportsters, they made them change it.
It has to be up is upshift and down is downshift. Stupid.
That pattern is law too?
Brake lever has to be here. Clutch lever has to be over there. These are all DOT laws.
That's why they made them change all the bikes back in the, when they do that, the Sportsters made them have a left side shift.
75.
BSAs, everything had to do with all
75.
everything.
DOT 75. Yeah,
We don't like all the DOT rules around here.
fucking Bush did that.
Was it Bush? Yeah.
Or not Bush, Ford,
Clinton?
excuse me.
Ford, okay. Yeah, he was tripping on everything all the time.
That was in the Carter, when the hell?
Or Nixon.
Nixon was in 73.
He got out in 4, right? Didn't he?
When did Jimmy Boy? Jimmy Boy started in 76, so that had to be.
It was Ford's in between, right? When after Nixon
Ford.
quit.
Ford did that. Nixon might have voted on it though, because it takes a couple years to go into effect. So Nixon might have did that. If not, Ford definitely did.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were just saving. In 68, you had to put the light up here in the headlight.
The indicator, the high beam indicator.
The light, and in 70, you had to have a brake switch on the front lever.
I hate that part. Yeah. It's too bad that brake line on there's already is too long.
Okay. All right, so what is that? Is that a pipe puck up there? Is that a,
Well, you're gonna have to tell if it's a Jap or not.
or has that got something important up in there?
I don't know, is there any powder coat in it? Yeah, I see some powder coat in
We
there.
don't want this to slip on us. We better tighten it up.
Oh.
See that flat spot in there? That
Right.
has to go in there.
Yep.
There you go.
I've never seen one of those, tell you the truth, like that. But I don't buy Jap stuff very often either.
It's not Jap, it's American made.
Excuse me.
Just
I should say I don't have no modern stuff, I guess.
yeah.
I always have a little slit between the two pieces and it squeezes down a little
See,
bit on
it's,
it.
it's right there. There's no take up on this stuff at all. I don't know if it's in there where it belongs or not. Where's the
It's
flat
in the
spot?
front, is it the front?
Yeah, it's not even in the right spot. Stupid.
So it didn't turn a little bit to get in the right place?
No. No, it did not.
Put it in there and super glue it.
It was sitting on the corner right here, not over here where it's supposed to.
It was going the wrong way, 180 off.
That's why they're hanging down so far. Where's my felt tips at? So we're going to mark this thing so we know where it's at. Okay, so there's our fill tip right here.
Lacking ink.
Liking something.
It don't take much for those things to dry out, I'll tell you that.
It's definitely not much visibility there. Okay, so that is there. So that should be straight back. Once again, I'm working in the dark, so I can't even see it anyway. What the hell's the damn hole at? Even that doesn't help much. There's the mark.
Where's the
Mark's
mark
right
at?
there.
Right there, one's out. Oh. And the Allen bolt?
Here's a small
Not
screwdriver.
this?
In back. Look at this small
Flat
screwdriver.
blade?
Yeah. Someone's playing with a light back there and stole it. That's right on it already.
Well, you marked it.
It's just right
Kinda.
up against it. I just pushed on it. Where's the mark at? Mark's over here. It's not lined
Not
up
in the
at
right
all.
place then.
No, it's not.
Let me hold that light for you.
It's a stupid design.
I could do both. It should be loose enough into where it turns, right? And like falls into place kind of.
It should fill center, but it's not.
Yeah.
See, it's close enough. I can't see it. I think we're in the right right spot, because see it's higher up than this one.
That one ain't coming out. There it goes.
It'll come out.
The front too. 180 off.
Yeah,
Wonder what catches there.
I don't know.
Should file one side of it so you know where the mark's at, the other side, you know, opposite. Little file mark on it. Angle is angle.
Yeah, it's better than
Grind
the
or
other
something.
way.
The ink didn't work too good.
Yeah, ink didn't work for squat. Of course, this might not work very well either.
You won't be able to see it no matter what, probably. Huh? You could actually put a screwdriver groove in there and turn it with a screwdriver.
Don't
in the
give
right
them
place.
ideas on how to fix the product there. We're not supposed to be
Oh,
telling them
re-engineering
how to
it?
do their job.
No re-engineering around here?
No, we never want to do that.
Now, where are you at now?
I don't know, it's in a dark hole.
It's up in there though.
That's why it was dark. So is that higher than the other one or same?
The other one's lower.
That's what I thought. This one's up higher, isn't it?
Yep.
That means it wasn't in the hole.
Looks about the same distance in there a little bit.
It's in there pretty good.
Pull it out and check it out. So we can re-engineer it, put a groove in it.
Can't see the black marks.
They're gone already.
Wore it off.
I couldn't tell where it was when it came out. Was it sideways like that?
It's over here.
Yeah, that's not
It's
right.
way over here. That's what I thought it was off. It's closer than it was the first time.
I'm not going to tell you how to fix it, but if you can see where it is then. Close.
Put a mark. There's a mark.
Blind bastard.
Can't see the hole anywhere. I can't see it there. Is it rotating or not? I can't tell.
It went up further than it used to be.
And the line's where it's on the bottom. The line is where it's supposed to be. Don't step on your hat when you back up.
I'll get it. They look pretty even now. A lot better than they were anyway.
The other one looks higher.
Now it does.
This one looks higher now.
If it is, not much, maybe a little bit. Now it's going to go into place. Yeah, right.
Just wedging it in. Well, there's powder coat there. It's making a mark in the powder.
Oh, that's what it is.
But that's not going to stay there because I'm going to move it.
Never
at
using
some
powder
point.
coat sucks.
And it's going to move anyway when I move the lever, but yeah. It's marked right now. It's got to go up a little bit.
I know you can't see it, folks, but they're pretty close to being flush and even there.
You can't see it. You got light. I'm dark. I'm dark. I'm pretty close.
Yeah.
If the powder wasn't there, they'd be up there flush, but oh well. Okay. That's good for now.
I'm almost done.